Hey guys, today I'm gonna be doing something a little different. I'm not going anywhere, I'm building something. Just gonna get into the garage. What I am building is a little table thing for outside. We had gotten this earlier. Let me flip this over. So when this came in, these wooden parts right here, they were built wrong. And by that I mean the holes were put in the wrong, so like the machine punched them wrong, so I couldn't build it. And we filed a complaint and got a new one. But we kind of still want to try to make use of it, so I'm going to assemble it the best I can, and then we're going to try to use zip ties, or I'm going to try to use zip ties to kind of squish it back together. So hopefully it'll work, and if not, it's unfortunate for me, isn't it? But yeah, let's get started. All right, here is everything. We got doors, we got parts of the middle thing and the top. I'm building it under our new deck because it's incredibly hot and I'm not sitting outside to do this. So gotta try to figure this out. I don't exactly remember how it went when I built the not broken one. I'm gonna go show you guys the not broken one right now, because this is the one we got after we filed the complaint that they built it wrong. So it's just like, okay, cool, we got a new one. I built it. I was very hopeful that it wouldn't be broken too. It was not. So here is the not broken one. Went inside, got the zip ties, and hopefully that'll be enough to fix it. Because it's not like it's broken, it's just the holes are in the wrong spot. So I think I can do some little bits and finish. Now let's show you guys what is wrong with it and why I wasn't able to assemble this earlier. So you see this little bump right there? When I slide it over, is that over that hole? The answer is no, it's not. So I gotta try to figure that out, make it even so that the other plate can also fit, because the other plate has the exact same issue. It might have been an issue with the machine that's punching holes. So, tied it up like that. I'm gonna cut off the excess, but first I wanna make sure it's right. So I'm gonna do the other side too. And it seems like it's going well. Seems. Now I know it's working. Yeah, so look how stable this is. It's working. We're there. Just need to put a couple more parts in and we're done. I'm very happy because I was worried. Because when we first got it, I spent like 2 hours fiddling with it, trying to fix it. And I was like, it can't be wrong. I'm doing something wrong. I wasn't. I was right. It was broken and now I'm fixing it. So now we'll have two. That feels great. It also hit my head. I don't know if I'm including that part in the video. I probably will. I'll put like a funny sound effect or something. But yeah, it hit my head. But suffering for your success. It's all coming together. It's actually great. Here we are. Just got to slap the roof on it. From what I remember, the roof also was holed in the wrong spot, and this is a solid piece of metal. So I'll figure that out too. But seems like it's all going by. I don't want to do the thing where I count my chickens before they hatch, so let's hope this goes off without a hitch, and then boom, done. Boom, it's done, finished, and I think it looks pretty good. There we are. It is fully done. Drawers open, and then close. Oh, hold on. It's this little bit right here. You have to close them at the same time so they can. See. So there was still a small issue, and that issue was that not all of the screws were in because it just can't, and I can't bend solid pieces of metal, but it's solid. Just got to take this over to where it is, call my mother, and show her. All right, there we go. Perfectly symmetrical. I think I did a pretty good job. But there's one person who I need to ask. All right, Mother.
Wow. See? It looks so perfect.
Yep.
Symmetrical.
Mm-hmm. I said that too.
That's what I was thinking when I looked at this one. I said, why we ask Arnav to make the others one, if possible?
Do you even see the zip ties?
No.
I haven't cut them or anything. They're all inside.
Oh, inside.
Mm-hmm. That one, I need to cut a little bit of,
Okay.
yeah.
It's okay.
But
I don't have to open
they're
them.
all inside. I'm gonna have to cut them off.
Oh, don't even.
No?
No.
Okay.
No one is seeing or looking at those.
But there we go. Also, this was a little bit of an issue because like I can't bend metal, but I screwed in what I could. Yeah, I screwed in what I could.
Oh, this.
Yeah,
this
those are just so missing where I didn't want to put a zip tie there. I thought it'd look ugly.
No, it looks so perfect. Thank you, Arnav.
There we go.
You're the master.
Are you happy, Mother?
Very happy. Thank you.
But there you go, guys. Done. And my mother approved of it, so we got this. But yeah, it's starting to get hot. It's not starting to get hot. It's always hot here. It's always hot and humid, and it's good for your skin, my mother says, but I'd rather be wrinkly and cold. But yeah, there we go. Hold on, I need to show you guys something. Look at this beautiful orchard that we're starting. It's gonna be something soon. But there we go. Thing done, built, mother happy. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, do svidaniya.